I'm going to start my Pilates session. Let's hope everyone is watching me. Let's wait for the other people also to come and join us. Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Good afternoon, Avatar, sir. Good afternoon, Archana ma'am. Shall wait for other people also to join us. Everybody enjoying lockdown period? So we are coming up with the Pilates exercises to make your lockdown period more fun with less of pains. Hi Ritika. Hi Ajay sir. Nice to have you all. सब क्वारंटाइन में है, सब लॉकडाउन पीरियड में, सब एवरीवन इज हैविंग पेन और मे बी मोर bored of just watching TVs. Hi Mohammed Siddiqui sir. Hi Dr. Sandeep Vaishnav sir. I'll just start my session within few seconds. Let join other people also. And I hope you all will enjoy my session of Pilates. Shall I start or shall I wait? Yes, Avatar sir, shall I start? Or I should wait for other people also? Hello Ritika. So we'll be doing some of the Pilates exercises. Good afternoon Salim, Sir Salim sir. Nice to have you all over my live session. Hi Pallavi. Thanks for your warm welcome, Dr. Sandeep. Good afternoon, Dr. Vineet Jha sir. I'm just waiting for other people also to join us. I'll be taking some session of few Pilates exercises which will help us in low back pains. And I am right now in my practice, I'm using this Pilates exercises on my patients. And literally ये मेरा क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस है जो मैं पहले विदाउट पिलाटेस के कराती थी उसमें और अब जो कराती हूँ देयर इज far difference in my practice and obviously in relief of pain in my patients. So I thought just of giving you some of my sharing my knowledge with you all. Hi Dr. Garima Kaushik, Dr. Tina Suthar. Now I think I should start. We have many people around us to join my session. I'll be telling you first of all few slides. I mean some few of the theory part to know what is Pilates and what we shall do with Pilates and how it can help us. Hi Dimple ma'am. Hi Amu Roy ma'am. So I'm taking my screen towards a lappy. So let's see. Turn your phone. Okay. Is everyone able to see my laptop screen? Is this visible? I am Dr. Richa. I am the founder and the medical director of the clinic Align Body in Delhi. And I have got you for you all something on Pilates, role of Pilates in the back pains. I will be telling you something about it. And I'm the Mat Pilates instructor from Israel. I have done few certified courses of biomechanical corrections. I'm certified dry needling therapist. I practice kinesiotapes and the body alignments. So nice to have you all over here. Hi Naina Mehra ma'am. So before starting with Pilates, I think we should know what is Pilates, what is core, because in Pilates we are taking a core into strengthening. So do we know what is core? What core is? Core is not only the abdominal muscles, but core is the it is the anterior, posterior, lateral, medial, all the muscles coming from the thoracic, from the shoulder till the pelvis is our core. All right. I'm repeating what core is. Core starts from the shoulder girdle till the pelvic girdle. Whatever muscles are there, anterior, आगे, पीछे, lateral, medial, all this being compiled and make the core muscles. Okay, so let's mainly the core. Today I'll be focusing on the transverse abdominis muscle. The heart of core, what transverse abdominis muscle is called the heart of core. As we all know, maximum are the physiotherapists. So I'll be taking some medical language only. Beach mein I'll be taking some layman terms also, so that everyone gets into the knowledge ki what I am talking about. Fine. So transverse abdominis muscle is the heart of core. You all know that abdominal muscles, core, कौन सी होती है हमारी? Let's see. This is the core muscle, and if I show you serratus anterior, transverse abdominis, internal oblique, external oblique, aponeurosis of external oblique, linea alba, tendinous insertion, rectus abdominis. These are all the muscles of core. Okay, and I told you that transverse abdominis muscle, which is this is the innermost muscle. Transverse abdominis muscle is the innermost muscle. Sorry. Transverse abdominis is the innermost muscle of our abdomen, and it is the most important to strengthen that muscle. When we cuff, abhi maine cuff kiya, you just have a look over your abdomen, ASIS, over your pelvic, just go medial to it. Just go medial to your ASIS and touch it. And when you will cuff, you will see one muscle is get contracted. That muscle is TVA muscle, transverse abdominis muscle. Cool? Screen is not clear, ma'am. Can you please check? Okay. Am I clearly? Am I audible? Ritika, am I audible? Am I clear? I am clear, or my only screen is not clear? Laptop screen. No problem. I'll tell you again. Is this clear? The innermost, the B part is the transverse abdominis muscle. Okay, fine. Thanks. I'll be telling you how we can see the transverse abdominis muscle. Just medial to your ASIS, cuff and see that you will feel a contraction in one muscle, that is the transverse abdominis muscle. We say TVA, transverse abdominis. Fine. So we have to strengthen this muscle, not only this muscle, but in front we have rectus abdominis from here to here. Ek second, okay. Just a sec. This one is transverse rectus femoris muscle. Here it comes the external oblique and the internal oblique, but the innermost muscle is the transverse abdominis. It connects from our lower ribs, our diaphragm, then ribs, obviously ribs, diaphragm, and our lumbar region, and it gets inserted into the iliac bones, iliac crest. So it becomes a corset. The transverse abdominis muscle is like a corset and the innermost layer, and it connects the upper body, ribs and upper body from the pelvis and the lower body. This transverse abdominis muscle connects the upper body and the lower body. It is like a connection between, it makes a connection between upper body and lower body. So making this strengthened, it makes the stabilizer more healthier, and it release us from pain, and obviously prevents us from injuries. I'll later on tell you each and everything in actions. Laptop screen is unclear. Okay. Good morning, Mukesh sir. Okay. I told you about transverse abdominis. Am I clear, or any queries? If any queries, you can ask a question anytime. So Pilates, what type? I can read it and I will revert you back. I'm giving you 1 minute for that. If anyone is having some confusion. No? Okay, fine. We know आजकल Pilates is under trend. Wants to learn Pilates exercises. Why? Because everyone is now aware of their body. Everyone wants to get shapened up, mainly females. They have to wear some clothes like dresses to be toned and look good. So the Pilates helps them out in shaping their bones, shaping their body, and obviously toning their muscles. So Pilates is a name given after its inventor, by Joseph Pilates. Joseph Pilates was a carpenter and a gymnast. I'll show you on my screen. Is my screen visible to everyone? Good afternoon, Dr. Omkar sir. Okay. Pilates is a name given after the inventor Joseph Pilates. He was a carpenter and a gymnast who invented the exercise for injured dancer. Joseph Pilates has invented it for injured dancer. Dancer को इंजरी हो गई थी, उसको सिखाने के लिए उन्होंने Pilates exercises invent करी. And many these Pilates exercises are inspired by yoga, but yoga. It is not similar to yoga, but some of the forms of exercises are taken from yoga. Okay. In Pilates, what we see, Pilates is not only for your body, but it's for mind also. It is the method of conditioning both body and mind. Good afternoon, Vijay Joshi sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Yogendra sir. So, Pilates is not only for the body, but it is for the mind. So, I told you before also that during this lockdown period, everyone is in stress. They are in stress of either people are busy in their laptops of office work, or not having any work. People are stressed of that even. So doing Pilates will help their mind to get relaxed and more functional later on. So Pilates is a method of conditioning both body and mind. Pilates, what it do? It increases our flexibility. There are 5-6 points why Pilates is important. See, I'll be telling you in a fast some theoretical part. Then we'll jump up with the practical. What is the difference between Pilates and yoga? Dear, in Pilates, see, we don't only emphasize on core. It is similar to yoga, but in Pilates, we only emphasizes on core, that is abdomen, pelvis, lower back, inner thigh, outer thigh, butts. But in yoga, we don't do like that. It is not only of core. This is okay, Dr. Tina Suthar. Am I clear? In yoga, we don't only emphasize on core, but in Pilates, we mainly emphasize on core. If we are doing any shoulder exercise also, we have to contract our core, then only the stability will be there in our body, and the muscle work, if our shoulder is going up, so I need only that muscle to get into action. So I have to contract my core so that my whole body gets into a stability position. It is stable. Now I can lift my hand, and now only that muscle is triggering, and not the whole spinal muscles. Like when in shoulder cases, frozen shoulder cases, we ask the patient to lift their shoulder up in flexion. But what they do, they have some additional movements. When we say like lift your hands, what they will do, they will lift their body like this and they will do. So in Pilates, what I'm telling you, just contract your core. When you will contract your core, there will be stability in your body. It is the main stabilizer of the body, core. So when you will contract, you will not move your body, only the shoulder girdle will move. So in Pilates, we only emphasizes on core, but in yoga, we don't emphasize on core only. Okay, fine. Am I right? Am I clear? Dr. Tina Sudhar? Hello, Archana, Richa, ma'am. Okay, let's go ahead. So I am telling you what Pilates do. Pilates helps in 6 things. As we are, there are 5 main Pilates fundamental components. What are they? During Pilates, we have to have a main focus, which we don't do. हमने कोर तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर ली, बट व्हाट वी डू, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके नहीं ले रहे. So this is not the Pilates. We have to synchronize our breathing with our contractions and with our movements. This is the main thing of Pilates. We have to synchronize our breathing pattern with the contraction muscle and with the movement. When we will exhale, चलो ये चीज मैं बाद में आऊंगी, when की एक्सहेलेशन में मूवमेंट करनी है, इनहेलेशन में वी हैव टू एंगेज आवर कोर. In further things I'll let you know, but before coming to the what Pilates do, I want to tell there are 5 components of Pilates. That is core. I'll show you on my screen. Is my screen visible? 5 components of Pilates are core, breath, alignment, balance, and awareness. when we do the exercise, we have to take care of the core, we have to take care of the breath. Obviously, when we'll do all the things, we will see the alignment of our bone, that our bones, when we do any of the exercise, we have to see the alignment. Pelvis हमारा anterior tilted तो नहीं है. If it is anterior tilted, we have to make it neutral. If it is posterior tilted, we have to make it neutral. If shoulders are retracted or protracted, we have to see that. Am I clear? Protracted and retracted. We don't have to have this position during Pilates exercise. The body should be neutral. The spine should be neutral. So that is the alignment. While during doing Pilates, we have to see the core, we have to see the breath control, we have to see the alignment of the body, we have to see the balance. If you are tilting towards any of the sides. And the other thing is awareness. You have to have the awareness of your body, of that only area which you are moving. जो आपको जिस साइड आपको मूव करनी है, आपको केवल उसी पे फोकस करना है, ये नहीं कि दूसरी मूव. तो इस चीज का आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. I'll be taking both English and Hindi now. I think people are must be having difficulty. So now what Pilates do? Pilates helps in flexibility. हमारी flexibility को बढ़ाता है Pilates. हमारी strength को बढ़ाता है. हमारी endurance power. आपने रनर्स को देखा होगा, जिम ये रनर्स, फुटबॉलर्स, दे रियली गो फॉर रिफॉर्मर एक्सरसाइजेज. रिफॉर्मर होता है एक पिलाटेस का, इट्स अ टूल. रिफॉर्मर्स तो रनर्स, football players, rugby players, they are fond of Pilates exercise. Why? Because they increase their endurance power. शक्ति उनकी खेलने की लंबे टाइम के लिए बढ़ा देता है, इंजरी लेसन करता है. Then coordination between and mind, उसको improve करता है. Balance improve करता है. Obviously, when you're balanced, there will be lesser chances of injuries. And obviously when and muscle imbalance को ठीक करता है. When everything will be good, your posture will be good and you will have less pains. When your posture will be good, you will have less pains. Fine. It lower, again and again I am telling you, Pilates exercises reduces the chance of injuries. If I compare from gymming and other things, we usually get many patients of doing gymming exercises, dumbbells or anything, but in Pilates there are lesser chances of injuries. So it is very effective and it's in a trend. Now I'm telling you like benefits. What are the benefits? Its benefit is highly effective, time efficient, full body exercise. It strengthens, really important for anyone who spends hours on a desk. जो लोग आजकल लॉकडाउन पीरियड में भी लॉन्ग आवर्स डेस्क पर बैठे रहते हैं अपने लैपटॉप्स पे, स्क्रीन, they get the flexed, they get the slouched posture. So it will get correct with Pilates exercises. It reduces the risk of posture related pains. It improves, I told you, it improves strength, it improves stability, it improves the tone of the muscle. That's why the females are very much going into Pilates. It tones the muscle. Prehabilitative. It is prehabilitative, meaning it prevents injuries. It is mindful and immersive. It reduces the stress of the patient, anxiety, pressure work. Patient do make out time. This is a valuable time to get out of their stress. Many exercises are body weight based, standing, and we do exercises. So it also increases their bone density. When bone density is improved, definitely you will not have any osteoporotic changes in your body. Fine. So after doing Pilates, prove the bone density, you reduces the pain because of osteoporosis. So osteoporosis get neglected in the patients who are doing Pilates exercises, and it improves the circulation in our body. And most importantly, Pilates is effective for all age, no bar. Even the children can do, or the 80-year-old man can do. There is no age. One can go for Pilates exercises. In this, after doing Pilates, when you stand tall, and you feel yourself as lean. And Joseph Pilates says after 10 sessions, yes, minimum 10 sessions is required for you feel good. You will feel good after 10 sessions. You will look good after 20 sessions, and you will change yourself after 30 sessions. This is the saying of Joseph Pilates, that you will feel good after 20 sessions, you will look good, and after 30 sessions you will completely change your body. So my has been ended up with this, and I can let you know about it. Hi Anuj Narula ji, thanks for joining everyone while touching it. And one thing more, in Pilates we have two kind of breathing: diaphragmatic breathing and the we have two kinds of breathing: diaphragmatic breathing and posterolateral breathing. In diaphragmatic breathing, what we do? Sorry everyone, I think something was problem in my connection. Am I audible right now? I will wait for everyone to reconnect me again. Am I audible now? This is a very important thing. That's why I want everyone to connect again. Am I audible? फिर आ गया
ये नेट पे चल रहा है.
हाँ. So let's do. I was telling you about the abdominal breathing. Two breathing: diaphragmatic breathing and the posterolateral breathing. In diaphragmatic breathing, what we do? We inhale while expanding our chest and the abdomen. Our belly comes out, our chest comes out, and when we exhale, our chest and our belly button goes in. This is the diaphragmatic breathing. But in Pilates, we don't use diaphragmatic breathing. We use only the posterolateral breathings. In posterolateral breathing, what we do? We'll inhale from mouth and exhale. We'll inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. Okay. Everyone is audible now? Great. In posterolateral breathing, we'll inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. But when we'll inhale, we will intact our TVA. We will engage our TVA. We will pull our belly button in. This is our belly button. Umbilicus. Umbilicus is also called as belly button. So I will use belly button again and again. What we will do, we'll pull our belly button towards our spine. We will contract it and inhale. Our rib cage will flare laterally. Rib cage बाहर की तरफ expand होगी. Or when I will exhale from mouth, the TVA will remain contracted. Only the rib cage will go down. Will go inside. But I have engaged my TVA. There is no belly inflation or down pull. I have engaged my TVA once I have inhaled. जैसे inspiration किया मैंने, I have tucked in my belly button. I'm exhaling from my rib cage. Rib cage goes in and out only, but no abdominal movement will be there while exhalation. When I exhale, there will be no belly movement. I have engaged my TVA while inspiration. Fine. So first of all, now I'll be telling you. अंकित थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाना. सबसे पहले जो चीज करनी है, इधर आना पड़ेगा आपको. If I do like this, rotate your phone. You can't turn your phone while recording. Rotate your phone. थोड़ा नीचे करो. थोड़ा नीचे करो. Am I visible to everyone? Am I clear? थोड़ा नीचे, पीछे करना, पीछे. सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट पिलाटेस में सिंक्रोनाइजेशन ऑफ टीवीए, ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न एंड द मूवमेंट तो हर कोई कर लेगा, कैसे भी कर लेगा, बट द मेन थिंग इज यू हैव एंगेज योर कोर. सो इन बैक पेन्स मैंने पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करा है. द पेशेंट्स हु हैव इंक्रीज लंबर लॉर्डोसिस, जिनका एंगल लंबर का इंक्रीज हो जाता है, लंबर लॉर्डोसिस इंक्रीज्ड है, एग्रावेटेड है. इफ you will go for pilates exercise, mat pilates exercise, strengthen their core, definitely you will get a better result than before, what you were doing before. Sorry. So first of all, I'll show you how to engage your core muscle. Breathe in. I have tucked in my belly button in towards the ground. It should go towards the ground. See my angle of spine. It's not like this or it's not like this. Just you have to make sure that your pelvis is in a neutral position. कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करते हुए यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट पेल्विस इज इन न्यूट्रल पोजीशन. इट इज नॉट posterior pelvic tilting or the anterior pelvic tilting. There should not be any tilts in your pelvis. It should be in a neutral position. And when it will get neutral, when you will you will engage your TVA, then only you will get your neutral pelvis. Yours यहाँ पर आपका एग्रावेशन ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. यू जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड. यू हैव टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट योर टीवीए एंड देन डू द एक्सरसाइज. इफ आई एम डूइंग एनी ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज, जस्ट टेक केयर दैट व्हेन आई एम ब्रीदिंग इन, जब मैंने ब्रीद इन किया मैंने टीवीए एंगेज कर लिया अपना, एंड व्हेन आई एम ब्रीदिंग आउट आई एम मूविंग. आगे थोड़ा सा मेरा पैन नहीं दिख रहा, इधर. हाँ, थोड़ा पीछे करो. मेरा फेस नहीं दिख रहा, नीचे करो ना. हाँ, अब ठीक है. व्हेन आई एम डूइंग एनी ऑफ द मूवमेंट मैं एक्सहेलेशन पे करूंगी. व्हेन आई विल एक्सपायर, मुंह से जब मैं एक्सहेल करूंगी देन आई विल मूव. इंस्पिरेशन पे आई विल एंगेज माई टीवीए. आई विल एंगेज माई टीवीए, एक्सहेलेशन एंड मूव and down. Can you appreciate the movement? I'm only doing the hip movement and my upper body is neutral, is not moving at all because I have engaged my core. Core is a main stabilizer. Otherwise what I can do? मेरी full body move करेगी. Are you getting? Only my leg is moving and not the upper body. If हम ब्रिजिंग भी करते हैं, अगर पेशेंट को ब्रिजिंग भी करवानी है नॉर्मली, तो हम क्या करते हैं, पेशेंट को बोलेंगे ब्रिज करने के लिए. ब्रिजिंग ये पेशेंट ने कर दिया, हाँ जी बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो आप. दिस इज रॉन्ग एट ऑल. जब आप पिलाटेस के थ्रू ब्रिजिंग भी करवाओगे, यू विल गेट टू नो कि हाउ डिफिकल्ट ब्रिजिंग इज. व्हेन यू विल गो फॉर ब्रिजिंग, जस्ट आस्क द पेशेंट टू टेक इन ब्रेथ from nose, contract your TVA. I have contracted my TVA muscle and there is no aggravated spinal extension. There is no extension in my spine. I have contracted my TVA. Now what I'll do, exhale. When I'll exhale, then only I'll lift, making the contracted TVA there only. First of all, lift my butts, then the lumbar region, then the thoracic, and will ask the patient to make it engaged and inspire and down. Articulating your, first of all, the thoracic spine, then the lumbar spine, and then the butts. Am I right? Inhale. When you will exhale, during exhalation you move and then down. Then another exercise, tabletop position. When the patient is having aggravated lumbar lordosis, I'm doing one research in this also. In increased lumbar lordosis, mat pilates reduces pain. So when there is an aggravated lumbar lordosis, what we will ask? We'll ask to straighten, contract, straighten our spine. So what it has done? It has reduced the angle of spine. Fine. And then do the tabletop position. And down and down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down and down. There is no movement in my upper body. If I want to do the upper abs exercise, how I can go for? I can go for like this. If the patient is a beginner, these are just the preparatory exercises. There are 3 kinds of exercises in Pilates. Preparatory exercises. For beginners, there are beginner exercises, then intermediate, and then the harsh exercises, hard exercises, which we can give to our patients. And for that, to increase the stability, one thing more, if I'm sitting like this and I have contracted my belly button, I can manage it. But when this is the balancing disc, if I ask my patient to sit on this disc, balancing disc, sitting on this balancing disc is even difficult. So making a balance, contract your core and then just balance yourself. This is not easy. Looking is easy, but doing is difficult. I want you everyone to do this exercise. You will get to know how much pressure it wants in your glutes and your abdominals. So this is a very good exercise if the patient is having back pain if their glutes are shut down, because in this they have to contract your glute to make your balance, and obviously the TVA you have to contract, engage it, and like this. Okay, one more exercise. If I'm doing this movement and I'm doing the upper torso movement with legs in front, knees joined together, I have engaged my core. Inhale and exhale. When I'm exhaling, I am moving. But in this, my legs are not moving. So this stability comes when I engage my core. Otherwise, what I'll end up with? Patient do like this. They don't feel. They say, yes ma'am, we are moving. Am I right or not? But this is not the exercise. You have to engage your core. Lower part should be stable. How it can be stabilized? When you will engage your core. And you can aggravate the its efficiency. You can use the balance board. Ask the patient to sit on it. It will increase their efforts to balance. So they have to contract more, and to contract more, to stable more, they have to contract their stabilizers, their core muscle, and then they will do the movement. In this, even I am a bit shaky because right now I have done a lot of work. And relax. Legs should not move. Just keep that in your mind. Legs should not move. You have to make a balance and focus on the movement, what you are doing. Just have a focus. Then other things we can use TheraBands also to increase the hardness of the of the exercise. Like I told you that bridging, normally how you can do with Pilates, you can increase the difficulty of that exercise by using this Pilates ball and ask the patient to go for it. Otherwise, you can take a ball also or a Pilates ring. This is a Pilates ring. Ask the patient to contract. It has a resistance. See, I can do it more. I can press it. This has a resistance. This has a resistance. So along with, if I want to strengthen the shoulder muscles along with the abdominals, I can ask my patient to contract, to push the ring towards inside and then go for the bridging. Or what we can go for? We can go for abs exercise, upper ab exercise. We can go for this. Relax. Only exhale. When you exhale, then come up and down and up and down. If the patient is having neck pains, don't go for this exercise. Ask the patient to support the neck with your hands and then come up and down. When you will inspire karoge, to you have to come down. While expire, come up and down. Come up and down. Take the care of the TVA. TVA is still engaged. Like you have applied a ice cube over your tummy. When you apply ice cube over your tummy, what you do? You just contract. जब आप आइस अपने पैर पे या कहीं भी हमारे टच हो जाती है, हम समझिए आई हैव अप्लाइड एन आइस. अगर आप आइस को पेट पे रख दोगे तो इट विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो दैट द सेम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन यू शुड हैव इन योर बेली बटन. So any of the exercise you are doing, contract your TVA. Then we can go for few of the exercise. This is tabletop position. This is tabletop position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My upper torso is not moving. Only hip joint is moving. You can see. Do you appreciate that only hip joint is moving and not the any other joint? This is how we can go for a particular muscle strengthening. If the patient is having a flat back, what we can go for? If the patient is having flat back, we can ask for the extension exercises. But in extension exercises also we have to ask our patient to contract core. Like I have applied an ice cube over the floor like this, and I have to contract my belly button in towards the spine, and only the upper. This is what? This is thoracic extension. What I am doing? This is the thoracic extension. In thoracic extension also only upper thoracic region will move and not the whole spine. I am not moving the whole spine. And no movement in the pelvis or legs. This is how we can do. And if we have to go for a plank, hands on plank, this is how we can go for plank with knee bends. My spine is straight. This was plank with straight plank with knee drops. This is how you can do. The spine should be straight. There should no rounding of the spine or arching of the spine, because when you have contracted your core, your spine will be straight. You have to do each and every exercise contracting your core, and this is Pilates. I think everyone enjoyed my session. I should end up with it because I have already taken much time. I hope everyone liked it. If any queries, you can come to me on FB. You can ask me on Facebook. My Instagram page. My website is there. Aligned Body Physiotherapy Clinic. I can share my number if anyone wants. Any queries, you can come up to me. Thank you so very much. Thanks a lot. Acha, okay. One of the question: exhale from mouth or nose? Sir, you have to exhale from your mouth, not from nose. Exhalation should be from mouth and not from nose. Inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. सबसे पहले तो इन स्टार्टिंग क्लासेस हम पेशेंट्स को यही सिखाते हैं कि हाउ टू एंगेज योर कोर, synchronizing with your breathing pattern. When I inhaled, I already tuck in my belly button. Then exhale from mouth. Another question is, what type of contraction is happening in TVA? What type of contraction? It's a contraction TVA towards, you are taking your muscle inside towards you. The belly button goes in, and belly button is umbilicus. Umbilicus goes towards the spine. Do it once. Do it once. Or when you will